I'm your host Michela, and tonight we are in Tsukishima and this is Monja Street. So we are going to try monjayaki, and I also have to cook, so I'm a little worried. So this area is famous for this food, and it's similar to okonomiyaki, but it's a Tokyo version, so let's try to make it. Will become cooked food, and I will cook. Super hot, I'm burning and I feel pain at my hands. I'm not good in cooking. I wanna eat. This is ramen and we are going to add on this. I tie up my hair because it's too hot. So bring a fan with you.
Yeah, like pizza.
Let's
It's
see.
hot, so you should.
Good. I can cook. I cook monjayaki. Yeah! Okay, for tonight we have done. As you can see from my face, was really tiring and I'm super red because it's so hot. It was not so easy as it seems, but I did, so I'm super proud of me. If you want to see other videos like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell and write in the comments what you want to see next time in cooking or do something else that maybe is better, and like the video. Bye bye!